like you fry also fish here. You fry.
Yes, I do fry fish.
Okay. And you also fry fried yam.
Yam and plantain.
Okay, that's
Potato. This is white onion
okay.
that I use to prepare this sauce. Okay, this is yam.
Alright.
The oil will be hot, very hot, before you put it. So this is how you fry it. As you can see, the yam is already set. And let me remove it.
How do you prepare this wonderful and delicious beans?
Let's go then. Plantain.
Okay.
You put it some salt and you throw it. You throw it. And as you can see now that it's browned and it's set, it is done.
Okay. That's beautiful.
It's out now. It's ready for eating.
It's like I will have a taste of it.
Oh yes, you need to. So that you know how it tastes. It is done. It is done. There's the beans. It's okay like that.
I'll add a little bit. Add a little. Okay. It's okay. Thank you.
Let me put the fish.
Wow.
This is beans and it's brown beans.
Okay.
I prepare these beans. You just wash it after selecting. You put it in the fire and you boil it. After some hours it will be soft, and you add it fresh pepper and oporo crayfish and some fish and scent leaf and onions and palm oil. Palm oil will be the last thing you will put, and turn the beans. It will be jollof. That is how, and salt and maggi.